If you are just joining us today, this video, you're welcome to my channel, Ask Malik channel. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like our video, and don't forget to subscribe. Things you should never put on your penis as a man. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the 6 things you as a man you should not attempt to add or to put on your penis. I'm going to explain to you. So all you need to do as you're watching this video now is to watch it from this moment down to the end, so that you will know those 6 things that you as a man you are not allowed to be adding on your penis, because it is going to result you to many health complications. It is going to cause a lot of damage to your penis, and at the end of the day, at age 40 or as you get older, you begin to have erectile problem. So what are those 6 things you as a man you should avoid yourself from putting on your penis or from adding on your penis? If you are the type of man that add these 6 things, it is going to cause you problem. It is going to harbor a problem. It is going to cause you havoc on your erectile function. The 6 things are: number 1, the use of harsh soap. If you are a man and you usually use harsh soap to bathe, it is not ideal for you to be using it on your joystick, on your penis. You should not use hard soap to wash it. All you need to do, if you are washing or if you are taking your bath, just take a mild soap, lather it on your hands, then use it to rub your penis or use it to rub your joystick and wash it. Use the water to wash it. It will be better for you rather than using a harsh soap on the tissue. Once you use harsh soap on the tissue, it is going to cause an irritation to the skin of the penis and you start having itching. So don't use or stop using harsh soap on your penis. Then second thing is, you should never use toothpaste on your penis. You are surprised I said toothpaste. Yes, there are a lot of men that they use toothpaste, they use it to wash their joystick or use to wash their penis. Toothpaste is only meant for the teeth. You use it to wash your teeth, not for your joystick. So if you are that kind of man that you use toothpaste to wash your joystick, I don't know what you are using toothpaste for. It is not meant for that. But if you continue doing that, you are only going to cause a lot of problems for yourself. It can result you to start having redness in your penis, and you also have discomfort. You use toothpaste to brush your teeth and not to wash your penis. So avoid the use of toothpaste in washing your penis. Then number 3 things you should also avoid is the use of glue. If you're the type of man, there are some men, they use glue they add glue to their penis. You should not add glue. Why adding super glue or other glues? Don't add glue. Never add glue to your penis, because it can make the tissue of the penis to be rough. It won't be smooth as it's supposed to be, so that it can not cause friction during any sexual intercourse. So never apply or never add glue on your joystick. Then number 4 is the use of antiseptic creams. We understand the fact that you can use your antiseptic creams to treat some certain infection, but when it becomes in excess, when you use them in excess, it can destroy your penis. There are certain normal floras that help to maintain your penile tissue. So when you use this antiseptic excessively on them, you are going to cause a lot of changes. You are going to cause changes to this normal flora. And as this normal flora changes in their nature or in their natural form, you are only exposing yourself to sexually transmitted infection or related infections that can affect your penile structure. So avoid the use of excessive antiseptic on your erectile tissue or on your penis to avoid all these implications or complications. Then the next thing you should avoid to add or to be applying to your penis is the use of chemicals or the use of sprays. You see a lot of men, what do we use spray for? What do we use our perfume for? We use it to keep ourselves, our physical hygiene, our body hygiene, our armpits. that is what it's meant for. Our roll-on, we use them on our armpits. But if you're the kind of man that you use those sprays, those harsh chemical spray, you spray them on your private parts, you spray it on your penis, you are also going to cause yourself a lot of discomfort down there, and it will result you to serious health complication. So you as a man, avoid the use of harsh chemicals or avoid the use of spray on your penis. Then lastly, which is the number sixth object, or the number sixth thing you should never add or you should never apply to your penis, is the use of petroleum jelly. You see a lot of men, you see that they will tell you they are using lubricants to assist them during sexual intercourse. It's sometimes or most time it's not ideal for you to use those lubricants, because those lubricants have the ability to trap microorganisms, have the ability to trap bacteria during that process. And once these bacteria have been trapped in, they can have the ability to infect your reproductive health. And as you get infected, it gives you a lot of sexually transmitted infection or expose you to so many transmitted infections. So these are the things you should never apply to your penis. As you are watching this video now, share this video to others. Let them understand, let them learn those things that can cause them damages, that can cause them serious health complication or serious health problem if they should add it to their penile structure. If you're just joining us and you just finished watching this video with us, thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Stay tuned, you turn on your notification bell, and don't forget to like, ask your question under the comment box, and we will meet again in our next video.